Steps for accept reject bids on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account on tool44.com. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketplace tab in the left side menu and click on it. 3. Inside the Marketplace tab, select the requirement list option from the left side menu and click on it. 4. You will be directed to a page where you can view all your requirements proposals. 5. To locate a specific requirement or proposal, you can use the search bar or apply filters to narrow down the list. 6. Click on the See More option associated with your proposal to view the detailed information, including the bidding list. 7. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you will find a tab labeled List of Bidders. Click on it to see the list of bidders who have submitted bids for your proposal. 8. Click on the View button next to a bidder's name to view the details of their bid. A modal box will appear in the center of the screen displaying the bid details. 9. In the bottom section of the modal box, you will find two options: accept and reject the bid. Choose the appropriate action based on your evaluation of the bid. 10. If you decide to accept the bid, click on the Accept button. The bidder seller will receive a notification informing them that their bid has been accepted. 11. If you decide to reject the bid, click on the Reject button. The bidder seller will receive a notification informing them that their bid has been rejected. 12. Once you have accepted or rejected a bid, your proposal will enter the processing state, and further steps can be taken to finalize the transaction. Please note that you can only accept reject bids if the bid has not been withdrawn by the bidder and if your proposal is still active, not assigned to anyone. That's it. You have now learned how to accept reject bids on tool44.com. Utilize this feature to evaluate and select the most suitable bid for your requirements.